Fix Xbox Game Pass games not installing or updating error. Ox80070490 on Xbox app or Microsoft Store on PC. Let's see how to fix it. First, restart your PC. After that, update Windows. How? Go to settings, then click on Windows Update, then click on Check for updates. After that, run Windows Store Troubleshooter. Go to settings, then click System, then click Troubleshoot. In Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, then click on Windows Store app and click Run. After that, click on Reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Go to Settings, then click on Apps, then click Installed Apps. Search for Xbox, then click on Advanced Options, then click Reset. Search Microsoft Store, then click on Advanced Option, then click Reset. After that, clear store cache. For that, press Windows plus R, then type this command and press Enter. After that, run system repair command in cmd admin. Run this command, which is cfs/scan now and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. You can pause the video and copy the commands. After this, reinstall gaming services using PowerShell admin. In admin, write these commands. You can see whichever there are arrow, that's a command. So you have to write these two commands in admin. After that, sign out and sign in back in from Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Then check install location, go to settings, then click system, then click storage and click advanced storage settings, then click on where new content is saved. This was enough, but still if you want more steps, so number 10th step is optional. Install Xbox Insider Hub and join Xbox App Beta. This point is optional and you don't need to do it if you don't want. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.